All right, welcome to In-Depth Analysis, ladies and gentlemen. But first of all, you guys should come close. Let's have a discussion. Now, make I ask now, what did Igbo man do us for this country? Why be say, Hausa man go pass one door, Yoruba man go follow am for back, pass that same door. Fulani self go pass that, but once he reach Igbo man turn to pass that door, the door go close. Why? Why be like that? What did Igbo man do us? Wetin Igbo man do us? Dele Farotimi, let's hear from you.
Nigeria was found based on what was called federal principles.
Okay.
And it was also said clearly that federal character should apply in all offices in Nigeria. It was there before independence. It was part of why the North felt sufficiently comfortable to agree to become part of the Nigeria that emerged in 1960. Those were guarantees and assurances that they sought at independence. So when we now came to the 1999 part, because now you've taken Nigeria away from the federating regions where each person could go and build their region as they care, you've unilaterally restructured it into a federalist behemoth where it's not really a federation any longer, but it has become something clearly unrecognizable from what it was at its birth. So today, you now said, we are going to be zoning the presidency.
Nice one.
Principle. You now decided that we in the Southwest should get the first go.
First shot.
So Obasanjo became president.
Okay.
This North came after. Obasanjo took the southern slot. The North came after. Yar'Adua died. Jonathan took over, spent 6 years. Power went back to the North. After 8 years of Buhari, power is meant to come back to the South. The North has the Northeast, the Northwest, and the North Central. The South has the South-South, the Southwest, and the Southeast. Power had stayed 8 years with a Yoruba man in Obasanjo.
True.
For all the good that did the Yorubas. Power has stayed 8 years, or would have stayed 8 years by 2023, with another Yoruba man as the vice president.
True.
In all of this, no Igbo man. Yorubas will say, Afari igun, ayok gege akala, wa dori ati oro, elabeku. Why is it that it is when it is the turn of the Southeast, you suddenly realize that the zoning arrangement no longer works?
What has the Southeasterners done?